Hello, welcome to Diana's Kitchen, everyone. God bless you guys. Today, guys, I'm making some salmon and I want to share it with you guys. All right, okay, guys, let's
So
start,
this
guys.
is, guys, my salmon that I'm going to cook today, guys. Here it is. I have two pieces here. Okay, guys. So, guys, you can just get a little knife and just scrape off here the scale, you know, because sometimes it have some scale on it, so you don't want to cook it with the scale. Okay, guys. So you definitely want to take this scale off. You see my scale on it? You see that? There's a whole lot of scale on it. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? Look at this. You definitely don't want to cook this salmon like this. Look at this. It's a whole lot of scale on it. You want to definitely take off this. Okay? You don't want to cook it like this. A whole lot of scale is on this thing. You definitely want to get off the scale off it. Okay? Just, bring it up. You don't want to bring it down, because if you bring it down, the scale, you're not going to remove the scale. So you definitely want to bring it like this to make sure every scale come off it. So now you're going to rinse it off, So I'm going to rinse it right now. Okay. So guys, all I'm doing right now is just rinsing. Okay, so here it is. Here it is, guys. And this is some more scale. Yes, guys, I think it's okay now. Let me rinse this again. Guys, I want to make sure nothing is on it, Alright, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it up and then I'm going to season it, okay? So I'm just going to cut it in two, like this. Just cut it in two like that. Just like this. And just put some, this is my, guys, this is my, my salt and my black pepper and a pinch of seasoned salt, okay? So I'm gonna just, combine everything. Okay, I'm gonna combine everything. Okay, and this is some garlic. I'm gonna use some garlic. I'm gonna use some lemon. All right, I'm gonna use some long leaf butter. So this is my pot that I'm going to use to fry my salmon. I'm just going to put some butter. I'm going to tip a little oil. I'm just going to tip a little oil in it too. You can use any oil your heart desire. For me, I'm just going to tip a little oil into it. So I have the oil. On my butter. You definitely want that oil to get a little heated, okay? You don't want your oil to burn either, all right? And once you start to fry, keep it on medium heat, okay? So you want it to, you want it to get a good fry. You want your fish to get a good fry. guys. So right now I'm removing them from the stove. Okay, right, so I just put my my butter in, guys. My long leaf butter, garlic herb. Okay, this is it, guys. You know, if you want to bite, it's delicious, guys. Really delicious. I just put it in. It has everything in it. I love to use this, guys. I absolutely love to use this. I absolutely love it. So now I'm just gonna put a little pinch of garlic. But garlic already in the butter. Lemon, just a little bit of lemon. A little bit of lemon juice. Okay. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of water over it, guys. But you can add over it too. If you have chicken broth, you can add over it. Because a little pinch of water, a little bit of pinch of water, just a pinch. Smells so delicious. Ooh, smells so good. It smells so yummy. So now I'm gonna just dump this over my fish. All over my fish. All of those nice garlic and the lemon and the herb in the butter. All of that over my fish. Look at that. This is my delicious salmons, guys. If you watch the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, guys. You know, you can share if you like. All right, if you want me to make something, please let me know. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.